Good afternoon. Hi, this is Team 1 and today I will introduce to you our design. But before that, I will introduce you to our members. Chevy Alen Charbiasola, Art Leader. And Dean Mateo B. Pescos, our Assistant Leader, Builder, Programmer, and Designer. Pete Sander B. Harina is also our Builder, Programmer, Designer, and the Secretary is also Chevy, and the spokesperson is me, Zoyalyn S. Isid. And let's now proceed toward introduce you to our design. So the name of this car is Chevrolet 77. The objectives are: number 1, plan out the device. Number 2, build the parts of the device. 3, attach all the parts of the device. 4, test the device. And to our introduction, the ORC Chevrolet 77 is a project that was made by the Group 1 and we want to make this project successful. Tools and materials. Number 1, EV3 brake and remote. Number 2, gears. 3, connector pegs. 4, beams. And number 5, frame. And this is the design of our car Chevrolet 77, made by our builders and designers. Reflection. The drawing was made by Arina Pete Sander and Pescos Dean Matthew. With all their planning and thinking, they made the Chevrolet 77.